Can you guys hear me? All right, perfect. What is happening to my camera? No, it's not a new mic. I'm just not sure why it's acting up. Yeah, the my actual mic is not showing up in the list of mics. Unfortunately, it was working before I left. It's weird. I tested it before I left, like a few minutes ago, and now it decided not to work. Thank you guys. Thank you guys for the birthday wishes. Hope you guys had a good weekend. Alrighty. Yeah, looks like crazy moment in action. Obviously this wick is not real, but there's some really weird price action going on. Things look very like just algorithmic. TradingView just looks. TradingView isn't. This wick is not true. Thank you, thank you guys for the birthday wishes. Thank you. Appreciate it. Thank you. Yeah, I hope everyone had a good weekend. TradingView is being dumb right now. Looks like TradingView is acting up. So the chart on the screen is not. This isn't how it looks. But let's see if it fixes up. I'll be right back.
without
Bro, this is very weird. Yeah, my thinkorswim was acting up as well. So it was just a trading view, and then I looked at my internet. All right, let's see what we can do. Let's see what we can do here. All right, so the ES is at support. We're at support at 428 on the SPY. The NASDAQ is at 354.86 support. The IWM has support at 180. Apple and SPY are both trading outside the upper level of Bollinger Band. The IWM came back inside. The VIX is bouncing. The bonds are falling. GME is rising. Dollar is also rising. I'm just trying to be patient here. Going short here is like really difficult. Damn, ISM services PMI came really good. Hmm. This is already one of those days, all right? So any trade that we're going to take, it has to be very light. And today looks pretty volatile and risky. So yeah, just be careful with any position sizes. If anything, just if you're a small account, there's no point of trading today, to be honest, either. I'm going to take light SPY puts. This is a really, really risky trade. But I'm in light SPY puts. This is very risky. Nothing is really super safe at the moment. All right, these are already up. Yeah, everyone should be up. You can see the contracts are moving really, really well. So just take some profit. This is when the contracts move this well, it's not a sustainable move. There needs to be some sort of an evening out process, because if they just continue dropping it lower, it would be very, very crazy. Wow. So I entered over here when the contracts were at 55. A small move down brought the contracts to 66. So that is usually, it should not be sustainable. This was only about 30-cent move to the downside, and we got 20% off of it. That's pretty sensitive. So the other thing is, if it does continue, I'd be very, very shocked. Wow. I'm not complaining. I am not complaining. Had another opportunity. If you guys didn't take profit the first time, we just spiked up. So on these moves, you guys got to make sure that you guys solidify some profit. Yeah, so I'm taking at the money calls or puts expiring today, unless I say otherwise. I'm always taking the contracts that expired today. This is crazy. Contracts are moving very, very sensitively. This is not generally a sustainable move. This is pretty crazy. If they just drop this, then we're gonna end up making a huge trade. This is gonna be crazy. But going short here is very, very risky. We're making gains, so But yeah, essentially going short here is very, very risky. Oh my gosh. So I want to see how they reward these late bears. But I mean, money is money. Contracts up almost 30%. On a small move, I'm not complaining. This, I mean, as long as this remains below 428.50, then we can really 428.60, 428.50, then this can really just maintain its pressures to the downside. But once again, just shorting down here is really, really scary to me. I don't know why. I don't know. Generally, I'm telling you, like, when something is moving this sensitively, it should not continue. If it does, we're on the right side of the trade. I'm not complaining. Holy crap. Dude. What the hell is happening right now, bro? That is freaking wild. 45%. I just took some profit. And now, all right, so now we're at 420. God, what the heck? Oh my God. This is freaking insane. How the hell is this happening right now? This is disgusting. You guys made money on that, right? Did you guys make money on this trade? Can I get some ones in the chat if you guys made money on this trade? I need to see a bunch of ones in the chat if you guys made money on this trade. Nice, nice, nice. Nice, man. Congrats, everyone. So that was a risky trade, right? I didn't. So look, initially, the reason why I said it was risky is because we were very far away from a level of. So when we entered here at 10:03, we were very far away from a level of resistance. So generally, I want to enter as close to a level of resistance as possible, so that my stop loss is very tight. So usually what I do is I try to enter. So we were entering on this candle. I think we entered around 428.70 area. I would have rather be more greedy and look for a trade closer to 429. But instead of being greedy and waiting for a bounce that may not ever happen, because everything was crazy overextended to the upside, the SPY and the Apple were both overextended to the upside in terms of the Bollinger Band. I was like, you know what? We're at 429.20 resistance. Basically, above that, it's 430. The NASDAQ was at resistance. The SPY was at resistance. The IWM was showing weakness. I was like, you know what? Screw it. I'm just going to take a short. It's risky because we're not like, it's not like a, 60%. This is where things can start to bounce. So make sure you guys are taking a lot of profit. This is where things can start to bounce, all right? We're getting close to the low of day. 428, 427.95. Major support. NASDAQ is starting to show some strength above 355.86 as well. It's not yet the time to go long, but this is definitely the time to start taking a lot of profit. It's so risky to go short down here. It's so dumb to go short down here. You would rather wait for a bounce, but even if we do end up breaking lower, it's just not a trade to take. It's not. This would be super risky, because if you want, all right, so look, if you want to enter at the first instance of weakness, sure, that's weakness, or sure, that's risky. But if you want to enter after we already made a huge move to the downside, then that's just FOMO. So I want to see what they do to people that are shorting down here, because this is not a high quality trade. This is crazy. 65%. 65%. This is crazy. $65. Oh my shoot. What the hell is going on? What a beautiful day. What a beautiful freaking day, bro. This is crazy. Do you ever trade calls? Yes. I trade calls and puts depending on what the market is giving at the moment. Congratulations to everyone that was making money on this. I have a stop loss. I'm going to have a stop loss on the runners at 0.85. I'm going to sell if they... God, this is disgusting. Thank you for the follow. Stevie Bucks, thank you for the subscribe. Bali, thank you for the follow. Evil Monkeys, Law Rounders, Market Owl. Holy crap. What is happening, man? Almost 100% play. Almost 100%. It basically just needs to remain below 428, but now is the time when they start to bounce it. I would be really shocked if we get another leg down here. But this is generally the time when I would sell the entire position and go long, but I'm just going to have a stop loss for 0.85 for the rest, and then call it. Happy birthday, trade Hamid. Trade times C420. Yes. All right. Okay. Now let's see if we can take another trade. Thank you for the follow and subscribe, Spades and John Foster. Thank you for the kindness, guys. Thank you for the kindness. The day is not over yet. Thank you for the kindness. I hope you guys made money, and I hope you guys did well. But yeah, let's continue doing it. Thank you guys for all the new follows and the subscribes. I'm in the light SPY puts. Really, really risky with a 428 stop. This could bounce very, very dramatically here. And then the 428 puts. I'm going to have a very, very tight stop loss. This is very risky, but I'm having a very tight stop loss. Because generally, I was showing how, I think I showed this Wednesday, that when we get the first bounce, after a monster move to the downside, it's very risky to try to go short on the first bounce. So that's why, you know, it's risky right now to try to go short. But I have a tight stop loss, essentially. So I'm taking this trade regardless. Also, the contracts aren't moving that well, which is a better sign. Because before, little small baby moves like this would have already shot the contracts. The 428 contracts would be up above $1 already compared to what was going on before. But now you can see that they're moving in a bit more stable way to the downside, which is good, which is more sustainable, is what I'm saying, for a move to the downside. All right, so far so good. Yup, easy freaking money, baby. Take some profit. Quick little scalp, take some profit, leave runners now. Don't let this go back red. Easy money, like. So what you do is on these smaller scalps, if you're holding on to an even number of contracts, you sell half of them, and you let the rest play. And then for the rest, you keep a stop loss in profit or on your stop loss percentage. So say, for example, you take some profit at 10%. You leave the rest to remain above your break-even price. Sorry guys, I'm not really reading the chat as much today. I'm trying to make everyone as much money as possible. So yeah, once again, like please don't, be offended. I'm not trying to, I'm just trying to focus on price action. So everyone should have already gotten stopped out because the break-even price, obviously, yeah, you're not supposed to be holding this trade anymore. Going long here can be kind of risky. Once again, because we're at the level of resistance. We're around the same price, and the contracts are about $10 cheaper. No, I don't plan on trading Forex anytime soon. I wouldn't get any sleep. I wouldn't have a life. I'm gonna buy light puts one more time. Things are being held up really well, but all right. Just be careful with this trade also. It's so like I'm gonna have a basically I want to have a hard stop. So, I mean, this is working so far. We go 5%. It's playing around 5%. Support is being held. That's the issue. So this is like holding this level of support for a bounce. I have a stop loss for 0.8. I don't want to get married to this short. We could skyrocket up here, but I have a very tight stop loss. If it works, that's great. But whatever. Trade is a trade. Let's see what happens. Trade is a freaking trade, man. All right, I'm taking some profits, obviously. Make sure you guys are taking some profits. And god damn, things are working out really, really well. Just going short at levels of resistance, and then just profiting 10-15% on these moves to the downside. It's freaking easy money. You guys got that as well, right? Did you guys take this trade? What indicator is that? This is the Bollinger Band. This is the Bollinger Band. On the chart, I only basically pay attention to the 10, 50, 200 simple moving averages, the VWAP, the 8 and 13 exponential moving averages. That's really all you need in the Bollinger Band. All right. sold the rest.
Another one. Money.
Wow, I did not think, I didn't think that was going to work out, but
God did.
Ooh, this looks oh my god, this looks interesting. To short again? No way. Oh my god. Let's see if we can get it closer to 428 before going short. All right, I'm gonna get really, really. Oh my god, this fudge. I'm being greedy here. I want a bit closer to 428, but it looks so weak. Thank you. See, sometimes greed plays out. Sometimes greed, patience pays. Everyone made money today, right? You guys made money already for today? Did everyone make money today? We didn't enter any trades that didn't work, so everyone should have made some sort of money, right? Uh, what platform do you recommend to trade on for day trades? If you're new, you should start off with paper trading. So I would recommend either doing Webull or Thinkorswim. They both allow you to paper trade live or trade with fake money. Basically, you have a strategy video out? No, but I would recommend you guys follow my YouTube because I'm gonna be going into detail about every trade that I take and the reasoning behind every trade. So you should follow my YouTube. Let me share that. There's that. Well, one second. I'm sorry, I'm not looking at the chat. My bad, guys. There's a lot of messages. I don't want to miss out on a trade. Do you have any strategy? I have freedom. Do you have any strategy you strictly follow, or do you just go off price action and market intuition? Both. And the only way that you're going to learn about new trades is if you're documenting what trades work and what trades don't work for you. So the only way to document them is you need to start a trading journal. So everyone that's watching should definitely, I can't stress this enough. I cannot stress this enough. For everyone that's watching, you guys absolutely need to have a trading journal. There's no way you're going to be able to document everything that is and isn't working. If you have a trading journal, you're going to be able to be as detailed as possible with all of your entries. Basically, just make a Google sheet or write out some piece of paper, make some columns, time you entered, time you sold, the price you entered, the price you sold, what ticker, the reasoning behind every trade, what was going on with the overall market, what was like special for the day, what was the price of the SP500, the NASDAQ, the IWM at open, like what percentage were they at the open, what percentage was everything at the close. Just be as detailed and granular as possible. Like explain, okay, you know, I went long because the RSI was oversold. I went long because we were trading at a level of support. So as you continue doing that, you're going to get more and more insight of your trades. Damn, I want to short again. Fudge. This. I'm just being really, really patient right now. Damn. We have to friggin' take. I'm in light SPY puts. Really, really stupid light SPY puts. This just needs to remain below 428.30. Basically, I have a stop loss from 0.7 on the contracts. Damn. But yeah, that's why this one was super, super light. trade, I could have made money, so you talked me out of it. Talked me out of full boarding. Are you in a trade? Thank you for sharing that. I'm Devon. Appreciate it. Yeah, I don't really want to overtrade now. Should you make 200 and stop trading? No. No. Trey, hey, I wanted to ask you about having an LLC for trading a while back, and you said something where they having a corporate code set up between the company and how's that working? So, yeah, so you can write off basically everything if you have a corporation, and you can write off everything as long as it's in the name of your corp, and literally, definitely all this information is like also like in detail on Google, and then if you speak to like an accountant, because you need to find like an accountant that can do this well. So yeah, if you have like a spare, it shouldn't cost a lot of money to have a consultation call with an accountant either. So just look for one nearby. And making an LLC, I know in New York it takes about like 10 minutes online, and it's really, really easy. So you should be able to find out how to do it in your state also. But yeah, I would really recommend doing that. I have freedom. I appreciate it. Deal journal today. I didn't trade because Hamid said it was too risky, but the trade might not doing hell good. That's funny. Financial advisor. Yeah, real cookies. Trade. Are we in a trade? No. AJG. Gotta go to work. See you boys. Take care, man. Have a good one. Take care. Take care. I freedom. How old were you when you started, and how long did it take you for you to see success? So I started when I was 16. I got really lucky early on with crypto. So I already made money in crypto, but I needed like a sustainable way to make money constantly. So I tried to basically so then I started to learn technical analysis because I needed technical analysis to basically learn how to make money on a short-term basis, and I didn't want to get making money in crypto is like for holding something and then letting it bounce is not a sustainable method of making money daily. So then it took me close to 4 or 5 years during that period of like making money, losing it, figuring out what I want to do with like how like just during that time, I didn't really have any direction. I was spending a lot of money on like books and like courses and a bunch of different things like that, and nothing really helped. But because you could learn all the technical indicators you want, you can learn all the technical analysis patterns, everything you want, but the main thing that you need to work on is your mentality and your trader psychology. So once you work on that and fix that up, and then also I believe I literally, after constantly losing money, like not being consistent at all, right? So I would have days where I would make a lot of money back in, like 2015, 2016. Like there were so many different penny stocks that were doing so well. It was crazy. So there was so many stocks that would shoot up from like 5 cents to $1 or 1 cent to $1. Yeah, so what really changed everything and made it very, very consistent for me was a trading journal. Literally, as soon as I made a trading journal, I became consistently profitable, I think the week afterward. So yeah, as soon as that happened, it was crazy to me because I had a string of wins when, and then I was able to see what I was doing wrong. It was crazy. So I would really, really recommend everyone. Like, this is from like personal advice. It really, really helped me. So I would definitely like take that very, very seriously, in my opinion. Like, yeah, I don't really want to overtrade. If I see something good, I'm gonna share it, but I don't want to overtrade. So, okay, let me read the YouTube chat. Hamid, when normally do you suggest go short, go long? I was here from the beginning, but didn't know when to take the trade. All right, so when I say going short, so what I'm doing is you have the option chain for the S&P 500 open. And when I say that I'm going short, I'm buying into puts. So puts denote that you're going to make money as the market is falling. So right now, right, you need to, like, if you're not familiar with options jargon, you should Google and search up options jargon. Like, this is like basic stuff that you need to know in order to follow these trades. So Google what a call is, what an option, or what a put option is. Google the option Greeks. Google what a strike price is, what expiration dates are, and then it will help you understand what we're doing. This isn't going anywhere, so don't have any FOMO. So just take the time to learn what is happening, but learn the basics of options. And that's not hard. Just learn the basics of options. And yeah. Do you still use a trading journal? No. I should. That might be kind of crazy if I become better. That would be pretty dope. I stopped actually, but I should try it out again. Well, I stopped like about 2 years ago. I think 2 years ago. But then recently, I've been sharing trades and everything, and I've been like sharing the plays with people. And the percentage gains and loss and all that stuff as well. And I would explain the reasoning behind every trade. I've been documenting it, but that is interesting. Might have to. You in any plays right now? No. It's options halal. And what indicators do you use? Yes, it is halal. And I only use the Bollinger Band, the VWAP, the 10, 50, 200 simple moving averages, and the 8 and the 13 exponential moving averages. What platform has the least delay for the stream? Twitch. Twitch and TikTok currently have the least delay for the stream. But soon I'm going to stop streaming on Twitch. I want to only try to like stream on one platform, so I'm gonna continue streaming on TikTok, but I don't want to stream on Twitch and I don't want to stream on Twitch and YouTube at the same time. So let's see. What do you mean by light puts? Example, 2 contracts versus 10 contracts? Yes. So light puts is like much lower than the usual trade size that I would have. So if I'm saying it's very, very risky or they're light, it means that I don't have high conviction in the trade. And it's obviously I have high conviction in the trade, but it's something not worthy of being very aggressive. All right. Yeah, I think I don't really want to overtrade. Yeah, there's no point of overtrading. We made a lot of money. We did well today. Had 100% play, and then we made 2 quick 10-15% scalps. And then we had that 1 loss on the lightest trade. So yeah, honestly, I'm just gonna call it a day. I mean, had a good day so far. And yeah, I'm just gonna call it a day. I hope everyone had a good day. I turned 28 today. Turned 28 years old. Crazy. It's crazy. Thank you guys. Thank you guys for your birthday wishes, man. Thank you. Yeah, guys. All right. Damn, I want to keep trading. Mm. Yeah, you know what? All right, I'm done. I don't want to see. I don't want to do this right now. All right, I love you guys. Hope you guys have a spectacular day. What a crazy, what a fun journey it's been so far. What a fun journey with all you guys. It's crazy. Thank you guys every day for tuning in. Thank you guys for watching, for being so kind, and supporting me. It's crazy. I really appreciate it. Yeah, man, I'm blessed to have you guys in my life, man. It's I would not be able to do a lot of these things if you guys were not the way that you guys are, honestly. And it's a blessing. And I'm just blessed to be able to help. And life is awesome. So I'm sure you guys are looking at the screen and you're seeing what I want to do, right? I want to go short, basically. Obviously, because we're at a level of resistance and we're showing some weakness. This can set up for a big move to the downside, but I don't want to overtrade. That's the issue. But yeah, that's what I'm looking at. And yeah. But yeah. I just don't want to overtrade. But yeah, it is what it is. All right, guys. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for tuning in and being so. Oh my God, we should have just went short. Oh my God, we should have just went short. All right, I'm just gonna get off. That would have been a. Oh my God. All right, fudge. I hope you guys took it. I hope you guys. Have a good one. Happy Sunday, everyone. Started the day off with some good trades. Don't overtrade, just stick to the basics. And yeah, all right. Love you guys. Have a good one. Take care, everyone. Sorry I didn't get to everyone's message. Yeah, I'm sorry I didn't get to everyone's message. Just I'm sorry. All right. But yeah.